Artificial intelligence is transforming the workplace, but learning how to use it, it's not enough. Beginning with the Leadership, Entrepreneurship, and Innovation generic course, all undergraduate students learn about innovation. With that seed planted, we created the project Beyond Limits, Quick Win and Developing AI Champions, a model that develops AI literacy at scale while preparing students to use AI to real challenges. The cycle began in 2025 with AI Mentorships, where students develop advanced skills in generative AI, prompt engineering, automation, RPI, prototyping, problem solving, and more. Each consultant worked with an UEES employee on a real pain point in their work to build a functional AI solution.
The Record programs, especially Mentorship and AI, played a key role in my professional development. Currently, I am contributing to the development of an AI-powered training platform for a multinational company. This experience has allowed me to combine the knowledge from my digital business degree with the practical methodologies, collaborative mindset, and hands-on experience I gained through the mentorship in AI program. Instead of focusing only on the technology, I learned to identify root causes, evaluate possible solutions, and select the approach that best fits each situation.
Once these students had validated their skills, they were ready to teach at scale. During Beyond Limits, almost 500 participants created AI assistants for WhatsApp, achieving the Guinness World Record for the largest AI assistant creation workshop. Student consultants supported throughout the event and created a real-time AI dashboard that followed and validated submissions against Guinness requirements. Beyond Limits does not only teach AI, it transforms students into consultants and teachers, employees into co-creators, and learners into AI champions, capable of multiplying knowledge across the university, industry, and beyond.